Hello children, we can continue the remaining part of the program iterative construct in Java. We have stopped in 12th to find 12th program, write a program in Java to find the sum of the given series. So we have up to A, B and C we have done. Now D program. From D program onwards we are starting. Now see, D is you have to find out the given series s equal to a plus a square plus a cube up to a raised to the n terms. Even s is equal to 1 plus 2 square oblique a plus 3 cube oblique a square up to n terms. And f1 is s is equal to 1 square oblique a plus 3 square oblique a square plus 5 square oblique a cube up to n terms. And G s is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by a square plus 1 by a cube plus 1 by a raised to n terms. And h s is equal to x by 2 plus x by 5 plus x by 8 plus x by 11 plus x by 20. Now we can see the program step by step. First we see the D program. So in D program, you have to write the package import java.util scanner, then our class name series D, and main function open the curly bracket. Then you have to write main function public static void main string args. Then again open the curly bracket. And here we are using a scanner class for input. So scanner class we are using system.out.print enter a, then int a equal to int.next int. Then again system.out.print for enter n, int n is equal to int.next int. Now long data type we are taking for storing sum is equal to 0, and one loop we are taking for loop int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n semicolon I plus plus. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the sum. So sum plus equal to math.power, open the bracket a comma I, then close the bracket, terminate with a semicolon, and that sum you have to print. Now how you will find this series? So our I, first updation I plus plus, then sum is equal to math.power, open the bracket a comma I. For first updation, what will be a comma 1, so we will get as a. In second updation a comma 2, you will get as a square. In third updation a comma 3, so you will get as a cube. And fourth updation a comma 4, you will get as a 4. So your series will be a plus a square plus a cube plus a raised to the power 4 up to n terms. So after that, when you get this series, then you will get the sum. After add all these series, you will get as a sum. So in this way, you can do the series D. Now we come to the series E. In series E, same we have to write the scanner class, then series name, series E, then main function, public static void main string args, then square bracket, then open the curly bracket. And here scanner class we are using system.in. Then you have to print enter a. Int a equal to int.next int, then system.out.print enter n. Then int n is equal to int.next int. Then here double data type we are taking, and sum is equal to 1.0. In double data type we are storing sum, and sum is equal to 1.0. For loop int I equal to 1. I less than equal to n and I plus plus. And what have to find out? Sum. So how will you find out the sum? Math.power, then open the bracket I comma I oblique math.power, open the bracket a comma I minus 1, then terminate with a semicolon, and that sum you have to print. Now you can see for first I plus plus, then sum equal to math.power, then I comma I, then oblique math.power. Now you can see for second, for first updation is you get as a 1. Then the second updation you will get I will become as a 2. So 2 comma 2 oblique. Now A is that a comma, then I will become as a 2. 2 minus 1, what you will get? 2 square oblique a you will get. In third updation math.power bracket in bracket I comma iso 3 comma 3 oblique, then open the bracket a comma 3 3 minus 1 a comma 3 minus 1 you will get as a 3 cube oblique a square. Then in fourth updation 4 comma 4 oblique, then a raised to the power a comma 4 minus 1, so we'll get as a 4 square oblique a cube. So your series will be 1 plus 2 square oblique a plus 3 cube oblique a square plus 4 raised to the power 4 oblique a cube. In this way you will get the series, and after getting the series you have to add, and when you get the add you will get the sum. So in this way you can do the series E. Today for this much only. Thank you my dear children, and you have to note down all this program in your notebook.